me, Jade, and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. I think this might be a good time to introduce how to tell the time. So let's crack on with that lesson, shall we? So we had the question, nan, in the previous lesson, I mean. The question is, nanji desu ka? Nan means what? Nani, nan. Nan means what? Ji means time. Nanji, what time? Des makes the sentence polite. And then ka is, it's literally a word form of a question mark. Ka means question. Des means polite. So desu ka together is, I'm asking you this question politely. Okay? And then you have nanji, which means what time? Nanji desu ka? What time is it? Please tell me. I'm asking in a nice polite way. Okay? Then to answer the question, you're going to need to go back and learn the numbers that I taught in previous lessons. Okay, so the times in Japanese are ichiji, niji, sanji, yoji. Be careful because the number for 4, as we learned before, is yon with an n on the end. Yon or shi. In this case, you take off the n at the end and it becomes yo, yoji, goji, rokji, shichiji. And it's not nanaji, it's shichiji, hachiji, kuji. Now be careful here again, it's not kyuji, Q is the number 9, but kuji, kuji, juji, juichiji, juniji, 12 o'clock. Okay, so those are the o'clocks. So let's practice. I will put up a time on the screen and I want you to say it, okay? Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, ichiji desu, ichiji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, yoji desu, yoji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, juji desu, juji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, shichiji desu, shichiji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, niji desu, niji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Hai, kuji desu, kuji desu. Okay, great. Nice job. Right, let's move on to adding the minutes on. So it's actually much easier than telling the time in English. You just take the number of minutes and stick it onto the end because they speak in 24-hour time, which is also confusing because sometimes somebody will say, let's meet at 18ji. And I'm like, 18ji? Like they're speaking in military time. I'm like, 18 o'clock? Of course it's 6 p.m, right? But sometimes you will get that, so that's just one more thing to be aware of. Anyway, minutes. So for example, it's 6:05. You would just say 6:05. 6:05 分. Now, fun means minutes. 6:05 分です. 6:05, politeness. However, it depends on the minute whether fun stays as fun, sometimes it is pun. So let me just put these up on a beautiful little graph for you. Okay, buckle up and let's go through the minutes together. The minutes in Japanese are as such. 1分, 2分, 3分, 4分, 5分. The pun ones I've highlighted in white for you. Then 6分, 7分, 8分, 9分, and 10分. There are 2 ways to say some of the minutes. So for 8 minutes, you can say 8分 or 8分. And for 10 minutes, you can say 10分 or 10分. 10分actually being the traditional original version of it. Okay, so let's say some bigger numbers. So 11 would be 11分, 23 minutes 23分, 38 minutes 38分, and 100 minutes would be 100分. Did you get all that? So how would you say it is 8:15, 8:15? 8時15分. 8時15分, 8:15. How would you say it is 3:30? 3時半, 3時半. So the only special word you need to really remember is han for half. All the others will just use the minutes. So how would you say it's 20 to 12? 11時40 分 11時40分 Okay, how would you say it is 5:45 5時45分5時45分 Okay, great! So let's go back to our original little role play from Genki then. I'm going to be Mary. You can be Takeshi in this case. I'm going to put the time up on the screen and I want you to tell me what that is, okay? すみません。今何時ですか？はい。1時20分です。ありがとうございます。いいえ。Okay, great. Let's do one more. すみません。今何時ですか？はい。7時50分です。ありがとうございます。いいえ。Okay, great. Now I want you to practice saying, what time is it? 今何時ですか？ One more time. 今何時ですか？ Wonderful. Okay, a final point I want to make here is des. It is written desu. Desu. But the final U sound is cut. It's just des. Okay, so this happens in Japanese with the characters I and U. If they are between two consonants or if they're at the end after a final consonant, you generally don't pronounce them. Another example is the word ski. Ski means like. It's written suki, but it's pronounced ski because the U is coming between two consonants, an S and a K. Suki, bubup, ski. Okay? I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I hope it was clear and you understood everything. If it did make sense to you and you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up. Please comment below with any questions you have for me and subscribe to see more. See you in the next lesson, guys. Bye! Mwah!